Picture a world where power tools defy gravity, designed not just for the workshop, but to conquer underwater in extreme environments. Welcome to Nemo Power Tools, a trailblazer in manufacturing that's pushing the boundaries of innovation. Nemo Power Tools is a pioneer in developing fully submersible, battery-powered tools built to tackle the toughest underwater tasks. Operating from the USA, this innovative manufacturing firm employs 38 professionals and generates an impressive estimated monthly revenue of $250,000. With nearly 100 distributors and dealers in 45 countries, Nemo Power Tools is setting new industry standards worldwide. At the heart of Nemo Power Tools is founder Nimo Rotem, a mechanical engineer and entrepreneur with a background from Israel's Israel Institute of Technology. Alongside co-founder Oleg Zukon, Nemo transformed a military request for an underwater drill into a groundbreaking business venture that redefines work in extreme conditions. Nemo Power Tools is entirely bootstrapped. By relying on self-funding and reinvesting revenue, the company has maintained full control over its innovative journey. This approach highlights the power of determination and smart reinvestment in driving growth without external venture capital. Innovation is the cornerstone of Nemo Power Tools. They developed the world's first fully submersible, battery-powered drill capable of operating at depths of up to 100 meters. Their product line soon expanded to include impact wrenches, angle grinders, hammer drills, a 15,000 lumen dive light, and a battery-operated handheld boat hull cleaning brush. In 2019, the launch of Grabo, a vacuum-powered lifting tool, further cemented their reputation for groundbreaking engineering. Developing the world's first underwater drill came with its challenges, including establishing a market for an entirely new category of tool. Yet, by transitioning from a specialized military solution to a comprehensive product line, Nemo Power Tools broadened its appeal, diversified into multiple industries, and built a robust global distribution network. The journey of Nemo Power Tools teaches us that innovation often springs from diverse perspectives and real-world challenges. Understanding customer needs and fostering interdisciplinary collaboration are essential for success. Their story reminds us to stay open-minded, continuously learn, and always focus on solving genuine problems. Want to learn about more businesses, founder strategies, and the steps they took to expand? Check out CashCows.cloud for more information. You'll also gain access to over 170 other business breakdowns, full of actionable insights on growth, funding, and everything in between, plus many more features. Visit CashCows.cloud today and supercharge your own journey.